Hello everyone, welcome to part 55 of Laravel 9 series, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the dynamic slider banners. In the last video we able to create the table for the banners and we able to add some dummy banners, and in this video we are going to we are going to show this banner in our admin panel along with the delete active inactive feature. Okay, so let's start. See, we able to add some banners, we able to create the banners table and add some banners in our banners table. Okay, but now we are going to show, we are going to add the tab here, banners management tab, and there we are going to add the banners. Okay, so first of all I'm going to update the sidebar. Earlier files we can now close, and now I'm going to update the sidebar here, sidebar admin layout sidebar, and here see banners module banners only the admin will update, admin able to update the banners, vendors can't able to update the banners. Okay, so the banner control, the ad is under the admin management. Okay, so we can also add it under the admin management, or complete section we can ignore for the vendors. Okay, so that is the case like the banner management, in that we will add the banners. Okay, and complete section we can disable from the vendors. Okay, so we will add the complete section, same like admin management we will add banner management section. Okay, after user management we can do this. Okay, still user management is not in use. Okay, but we can make one more section like user management. Okay, we can see the condition that is coming up here, type vendor. Okay, for vendor this one, and in else condition we have the user management as well. No issue, we can add this one after the user management, that is the banner management, and it will be shown only to the admins. Okay, so we can add here banners like this. Okay, so we can also name it like the slider banners, because later on we will add the another fixed banner as well, slider banners. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it, and you can see here it is slider banner. This id we need to add some other id like UI users. Here we are going to make it UI banners. Okay, so everywhere we will make it UI banners, and here also banners will come up. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, slider banners. Okay, later on we will add some more banner like fixed banners of our home page, or any other banners will also come up here. Okay, so now the thing is we want to show the banners, and now we are going to first create the controller, banners controller in admin. Okay, so for that we are going to run one more command. These are the commands that we have run the last time, and now we are going to create the controller as well. For the controller as well, this identical command like php artisan make controller, you can see here PHP artisan make migration, PHP artisan make model, PHP artisan make seeder, PHP artisan make controller. If you remember one command, then you can remember all. PHP artisan make controller. Okay, so now we are going to add here banners controller. Okay, you can name anything, like if you want to make it singular or plural, it's your choice, but the controller will come like this. Okay, see, first letter and then C of controller must be in caps. Okay, so now the banners controller, but we have done wrong thing. We need to create this banners controller inside admin. Okay, but we have created outside the admin, that is the issue. So we need to change this one. Here we have done the mistake. I need to remove that ecom 9 app http and controller. You can see the controller is outside banner controller. I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so now I'm going to run once again, and what I'm going to do, I'm simply add banners controller under admin folder. Okay, and that will be like this, nothing else. Now we're going to check the admin, banner controller have been created here. Fine. So now we can open the banner controller, and it must be here. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to create the route for showing all the banners in the admin panel. So we are going to show the route here, banners route get banners banner controller. Inside we're going to create the function, banners function we're going to create. Okay, so we're going to create this function here in banners controller, public function banners. So we have two banners right now. We are going to get these two banners in banner model, then we will use the get. We will use the to array. We can use the to array for converting the JSON object to the array. Okay, so for get we can use the to array, but for first avoid the to array like this, then we need we have the another way to do it. We are going to check once that whether the banners, two of the banners are coming here or not. So I'm going to check here in admin. We'll do like this, admin banners, and here see, we need to include the model for the banner as well. Use app models banner, and now we are going to check. Okay, so now it is coming. We are going to check whether the banners are coming. So it is coming perfectly, two records are there. Okay, so now we can comment this one and return to the banners blade file that we are going to create in our next step. Return view, we are going to create the banners blade file under admin, under banners folder that we will create. I think we have not created yet, so we will return this banner array to the banners blade file. So I'm going to check here resources view, resources views, under we are going to create under admin. Okay, we are working in the admin, and here we are going to create the folder banners folder. Okay, so we are going to create one file inside this one. In Mac we need to create the file like this, touch banners.blade.php file, but if you are in Windows, you know you need to go inside the folder and right click and make new file, and you can rename the file after that. Okay, here we can simply create it like this. So banners file, I'm going to open this file. So we want this structure, we want some structure that we can copy and make changes to save our time. So for that we can copy any of the structure here, like we can copy these categories. Okay, we will get the layout and we can make the changes. So we can copy the content of the category so that we will get the admin design as well. So we are going to copy this one and we'll paste here, and then we can make the changes like banners. We can do all at once also. Okay, so it's your choice that you want to, how you want to do it. Banner, first I'm going to do for these banner. Okay, so we are going to replace it like this, and all other also we are going to replace. This id is data table id that we will create. It's we will call the data table for the banners id. Okay, now this one also we are going to change. We have the fields, we know that which fields we need to add here in our table. We are having these columns, these one we are going to add id, see image, link, title, alt. Okay, so id, image, link, title, alt, status also is there, fine, action, fine. So banner is there, so this one we are going to remove this one and we'll convert it to banner like this. We'll check once, like if all we have converted. Okay, So now this one is not required, we can remove the unwanted code. So the first one is the id, that is fine, and next one is the image. We can make it like this right now, then we will convert it to image. Then after that there will be banner link. Okay, so link is like this, and after that banner title is like this. We can remove this one, and after that alt, and after that status. Okay, so we are going to check once if the banners are coming here or not. Okay, we can check here, like I'm going to make it admin banners. Okay, so banners are coming here, you can see the banners are coming, two of the banners are coming here. Okay, but here we need to show the image of the banner, we want to show the image of the banner here. Okay, for that we are going to add the path here. Okay, so we are going to add the path like image style also. We are going to give the width as well, but first we are going to add src. Okay, in which we are going to add the asset, then in front images, and underscore images, then $banner image, like this. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, and image source, and this one. Okay, now refresh here, see these spellings are incorrect. Okay, now fine, you can see it's coming here. Okay, both the banners are coming here, but it's not it's too small, so we can increase its like width, we can make it 150 pixel. Now it seems to be a little bit better. Okay, so we can still increase. Okay, so now it some clue, some idea about the banners. Okay, so now we will work on its status as well as the delete functionality. Okay, so for that we are going to add that routes for the active, inactive, and for the delete. Okay, but first make sure that we able to view these one. We need to add the dart table for this one, so we will open that file, I think custom.js. See the dart table is pending for this one, so we are going to add the dart table for the banner. We're going to call the dart table for banners, and now we are going to refresh, and here you can see now it seems to be perfect. Okay, now you can, like if you will search for the link, it will only show the link. Okay, it will only show the that entry that is having that link, or you can add like this one. Okay, you can able to search anything, paging is also there, so also it's attractive. Search, paging, and other options. See this one, ascending, descending, sort option is also there. Okay, so we can use the dart table. So now we are going to add the route for making it active or inactive. Okay, and for that we will quickly I'm going to copy this category route that I'm going to add for updating the status, and will make the changes in this one. Okay, so that to save the time. So first one is the update banner status. We're going to add its function, and function name we're going to keep like update banner status, like this. Okay, so this is the function that we are going to add under banner controller, but this time again I'm going to copy that function, because to save the time, we are already having the update category status. I'm going to copy this and we'll paste it here, and we'll make it update banner status. And Okay, so update banner status, and these one as well, banner here as well, and here also we are going to make it banner. Okay, so now its script also we are going to add similar to the category status. Okay, we can search for the category here. See, in the same way we are going to do for the banner as well. I'm going to add before section as well. Okay, as banner is the first one before these, so we're going to add now here banner for this one as well. So now we are going to check the active inactive status. Okay, I'm going to refresh here once. See, some issue has come up here. Okay, so I'm going to check here. I forgot to see, I forgot to close the basis. Now it seems to be fine. Okay, so now I'm going to disable. See, this one has been disabled without any error. Okay, so both has been disabled. We can check in our table that both status is 0 right now. See, if I'm going to make one of the banner is active now instantly in real time, and see here we able to convert it to 1. Okay, so yeah, with the help of Ajax we can able to update the status for the banners to 1 to 0 without refreshing the page. Okay, so now we are going to work on the delete functionality for the banner, and for that we are going to add the delete route in the same way like we have added for the category delete category. Okay, in the same way we're going to add for the delete banner, and here we are going to add delete banner, and we are going to add here delete banner. Okay, so we are going to add here delete banner function in our banners controller file. We are going to add the delete banner function. Okay, so that also we are going to add similar to delete banner, but this time not that much similar. We can create our own function. Okay, so let's create it. Public function delete banner. First of all we are passing the id that we will get here $id. Okay, so first thing is we will get the banner image from the id, get banner image from the id, and that we can get like we will set one variable a banner image, and from banner model we are going to compare with the id where id dollar this id. Okay, and we are going to now use the first. Fine, and now we are going to get the banner image path, get banner image path. Okay, so we know that banner image path is under the front banner image path, so that is first one is the front. Under front there is a folder images, under images there is a folder banner underscore images, and in that we have the banners. Okay, like this. And now we are going to finally delete the banner, delete banner image if not exists in folder. Okay, first we are going to check that it exists or not, and if it does not exist, that then we are going to unlink it. Okay, so before uploading the banner we are going to first make sure that the banner exists or not. Okay, so if the banner does not exist, then we are not going to delete. If the banner exists, then we are going to delete. Okay, so first we are going to check here if file exists, that this banner exists or not, that is this file is exist or not. So we are going to check under this path, and we are also having the name of the banner, $banner image, then this image. Okay, and now we are going to unlink this banner from this path and image if it exists. If it does not exist, then we will not do anything. Okay, so we delete the banner image if it exists in the folder. If it exists, if exists in folder. Okay, we are going to delete banner image if exists in folder. Okay, So first we are going to check that file actually exists or not. If the file exists, then only we can able to delete, otherwise there is no mean to delete it. Okay, so after that we are going to delete the banner from the delete banner image from db, from table, from banners table. Okay, so we will simply banner where id $id, then delete. Now we will return redirect with the source message. Okay, so we will simply use in the category controller something like this one. Okay, message we are going to add here, $message, we are going to make it banners, and here message also we are going to add like banner deleted successfully. Fine. Now we can check once, refresh this one. I'm going to delete the banner. Okay, it will ask that you want to delete the banner or not. How it is possible? Because we have the common delete function. If you remember that we have the common delete function here in custom.js that we have created many videos back in the beginning of the series. Confirm delete, this is also prefixed with the sweet alert that we have added inside this function. Okay, so this is the dynamic function that we can use for all the modules. See how much time can be saved, otherwise you need to create the jQuery function again and again. Okay, confirm delete is the common jQuery function that we are using to delete any module. Okay, so banner is a kind of module that we have used here. In module the banner will come, in module id the banner id will come. Here you can see that confirm delete is the function that we call, and here module is the banner and module id is the banner id. Okay, so we are working on this dynamically. So just once we have created this confirm delete function, and we can now use it with any module. So now see, I'm going to now click cancel, then it will not delete. If I'm going to click on yes delete it, then it's going to delete. Banner deleted successfully. You can see the banner has been deleted. Okay, in the same way, if we want to delete this one, yes delete it, so this one has been deleted as well. You can see all the entries has been deleted. Banner deleted successfully. Okay, so we can run the PHP artisan that command once again. So PHP artisan db seed, if we want the entries once again, it will come up once again. You can see it has come up, but the images are not coming because the images have also been deleted from the folder. So that is the thing that we are looking for. See, the images has also deleted. Now we need to copy the images once again from our template. Okay, so this is the benefit of like when the admin is deleting the image, it will delete from the folder as well, so that it will never be overwritten. Okay, so now I'm going to copy these images and we'll put once again to our project, that is the personal ecom 9 public front images, banner images, and copy these two, and now we are going to refresh and see it's once again comes up. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any query, you can surely contact me, and in next video we are going to work on the add edit banner functionality, and after that we will move on with the other home page features. Okay, so if you want to ask me anything, you can type in video comments as well, and always become a premium member so that you will get the complete code and support. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.